Hi everyone!
Hi.
We are here at the Disney Character Warehouse at
Vineland.
Vineland.
This is the afternoon edition now. Okay,
This
we're
is
doing
the first
something
time,
different.
yeah. The first time we're coming here, end of the afternoon, not first in the door, and see what's there. So trying to see if there's holiday stuff. I've been hearing there's trickles.
We're gonna see.
Today's a good day though. Disney announced Happily Ever After is back, coming April 3rd. That is exciting. Cat and Mouse can't wait to get there and see that again. That's my favorite show. But
let's go check it out. See what's new. See what
like and subscribe, guys.
That's right.
Don't
if you're
forget.
New, click like and subscribe. Ring the bell. Subscribe to our channel and help us grow.
Let's go. So I think we have the first sign of holiday merch. This is the Starbucks Tumbler Christmas. Starbucks Christmas Tumbler. $14.99. They have more of the Halloween Crocs, $29.99. The Mickey blue and white kind of tie-dye Crocs, $24.99. Vault Collection Crocs, $30. And the Star Wars Crocs, $30. So look like we got a TIE Fighter. Oh, this is a little heavy. $5.99. I believe this is a TIE Fighter. Don't kill me if I got it wrong. We have Toy Story Land baseball hat, $8.99. We have an amazing deal. Orange Bird Spirit jersey. I'll show you the price. Unreal. Orange Bird Spirit jersey. I'm only seeing extra small right now, guys, so not too much of that. Oh, Disneyland Main Street Electrical Parade. It's not a Spirit jersey, but it lights up. Look at that on the side there. Got Mickey on the side. And this is $30. Then also we have the 2021 Food and Wine Festival. Extra small right now, $9.99. Got plenty of the extra smalls. We have some Coca-Cola Spirit jerseys. How much are these? $40.99. I have a retro Walt Disney World hat. And this one is $14.99. We have some more Flower and Garden Festival merch. $7.99 for the bucket hat. We have another Spirit jersey here. Like with the bubbles on the back, colorful bubbles. $29.99. And only see extra small. I have this cute shirt here. It's kind of like a watercolor. $12.99. It says most magical place on earth. I like this. Stay weird. $12.99. It's got Stitch hanging upside down. Isn't that cute? Not a prize to be won, $12.99. A lot of new different clothing pieces they have here today. Look at this one. $12.99 for this shirt. All the hand hearts. Look at this Daisy shirt. Kind of like a sweater material, but cut off at the arms. This one's $14.99. Over here we have Mickey with this shimmery kind of rose gold color tank top. $12.99. We got the seam in the kind of like blue color, but he's not shimmering. Oh, well, yeah, he's kind of like iridescent on the feet. Yeah, $12.99. Then we have this one with this also rose golden gray color one. Let's go to the racks. So we have characters on parade. Looks like Peter Pan, and these kind of open, but they're in plastic, so I don't want to open up the package. Oh, well, we found one right here. This is $8.99. And it opens, and there you go. We have a Star Command metal keychain. $4.99. There's two on one, but it's only, you only get one. But they're hanging two on here. They're kind of stuck. There you go. $5.99 for this pin. Haunted Mansion, $5.99. We've seen all these before in previous. Let's see what else. Beautiful florals. Oh, look at that with Moana. That's a nice pin. And it kind of closes. $8.99 for that one. More of the floral ones. Okay, I thought they were all different ones, but they're not. There's Rapunzel. $8.99. Orange bird pop sockets for $7.99. And Mickey floating down Main Street pin, $8.99. They got plenty of the 50th anniversary shimmer headbands for $3.99. Still have more of the tie-dye ones for $7.99. The carousel, $14.99. And the Mighty Thor ones for $14.99. Got a Wonder Gallery postcard for $1.99. And a Winnie the Pooh wallet holder or card holder, $8.99. Still plenty of the Stony Clover, $99 for that one. That one's still $148. Fanny pack for $112. This one is for $76.99. That one's kind of shimmery. Gus, I think that is. It's kind of clear. It's clear, yeah. You can see right through it. And then we have the other one over here for $88.99. Got more up here. Another big bag here for $99. And then the larger tote for $174 for the Stony Clover. Got a new mug, Restaurant Fund for $5.99. Got more of the Tiki Room bags in, $39.99 for the Loungefly. And I see a few of the Halloween ones. And these are $44.99. It was only like maybe 6 handful. Oh, got the Tiki doll for $19.99. Countdown calendar. Still here. Plenty of the Halloween merch looks like. $24.99. The Mickey bowl and the Groot bowl. I think they're still $20. They weren't marked last week, but yep, $20 for the Groot bowl. $25 for the Mickey bowl. Then we have their Grogu bowl. $25. They got some in the box. That's the same thing. Star Wars candy bowl, Baby Yoda. Then we have the wreath. $19.99 for the Halloween wreath. Still got more of the Halloween ears, $3.99. Oh, we have the Three Sisters candy bowl. What was the price on this one? $14.99 for that. And the Oogie Boogie Loungefly, $34.99. The stick glow-in-the-dark chain, right there. And the Jack Skellington Our Universe Walt Disney World shirt, $14.99. Still plenty of the Sanderson Sisters Spirit Jersey, $34.99. And the Oogie Boogie Glow in the Dark, $34.99. I wonder what glows in the dark. I'm assuming like this back here. The Halloween button down, $14.99. Smalls I see only. So still plenty of Halloween options of shirts. Glow in the dark, $7.99. These I think are the kids ones. The Halloween party, $7.99. Still have more of the Haunted Mansion jean shorts, $20. And the tights are $12.99. Now we have the light up for Sully. For Mike Wazowski. We had the Sully last one. This is the one that the eye follows you. $3.99 for Mike Wazowski. We have Anger. We have Ursula. And there's Sully. Over here on this side, I saw Hades and Maleficent with the light up. So here's Hades. And then, of course, we have my girl. Right here, Maleficent. Still plenty of the Doonies. We got the Jungle Book, 178 and 196. I love the colors on these. These are really nice. So plenty of the Winnie the Poohs, the Pinocchios, Coco. We've seen all the prices in these. Check out my videos down below. They are all there. We've seen them already for a while now. So the Doonies are still here. $148.99 for this one. Food and Wine. We still have the mini one. This is still here. We still have the Emperor's New Groove, Winnie the Pooh, more of the Rescuers, and the Princesses one are still here. Haven't seen any price drops in them, but they are still here. Looks like we have a cat scratcher for $12.99. This is huge. Okay.
Pet thing?
Yeah, like the cat scratches on top. Yeah. Light up mat for $20. And then we have the pet kind of placemat. This one says, no, that's the Halloween light up mat for this. This one, $7.99 for the pet placemat. Well, look at here, assorted fig pins for $8.99. So look at this, 50th anniversary dress for Minnie. Is there any Mickeys? Look, Hercules, and we have Tinkerbell. You can't even see them in the plastic. Tinkerbell. Got Orange Bird. Oh, look at Woody. Doctor Strange. So tons of pins. Oh, thank you. We have Belle. And more Orange Bird. More Doctor Strange. What do we have on there? Oh, Hades. There you are. Look at that. They're huge, these pins. Look, I see Dale. And I see R2-D2 with Grogu. I only see Dale. I don't see Chip. No Chip. Mike Wazowski. Oops. Yep. You get that, please. Mike Wazowski. Oh, they have a whole bunch of different pins. What else is down there? Yeah, I got that one already. Wow. A lot of fake pins. No, that's a Stormtrooper. What is that? I'm assuming that's a Stormtrooper because he's all in white. I don't think he's Boba Fett. Oh, a lot of these. I got villains and different ones. But I see tons of Minnie, but I don't see Mickey. That would have been cool if there was a Mickey. I guess this was all Mickey and he's gone. Still got some Nuemo stuff. It's dwindling down to about here for $1.99. What is that? Mjolnir pocketbook. How much is this one? $15.99. Pandorable. Isn't that cute? $12.99 for the little ones. Got some clothes in here for little ones in here. These I've all seen before. Mickey Mouse jacket. Look at that. And that is $19.99. Deal of the day. A poster calendar for 99 cents. And you get all these on the back. 99 cents. 2022 Food and Wine plate. $2.99. Still got plenty of those cute little night lights for $12.99. So adorable. They got this portfolio set. This looks hefty. $25. Feels like leather. What's in there? And just like
Paper, sheets of paper.
Journal paper, and it comes with the pens and all that. I don't want to rip it open. It's really nice. Oh, this one's open. Let's see. Can you get that out? It's kind of jammed in there. Let's see. Open it up. Oh, and it has like some pockets, some scratch paper, 3 nice pens. Very nice. $25. Look at this little Disney baby dress. One comes with the headband. $12.99. I have a Thor t-shirt. $9.99. And then they have a Mighty Thor one as well. $12.99. Anybody want a leather mini?
Yeah, somebody bought it.
$400.
We said, what are you going to do with it?
Look at this. My son would absolutely love this. He loves this movie.
$71.
$71.
All right, guys. Well, we left the Disney character warehouse.
First trickle of the holidays is the Starbucks tumbler.
Yeah, that tall tumbler that was there for $50 in the parks.
And the deal of the day was the Orange Bird Spirit jersey for $14.99. Well, and the 99-cent calendar.
Yeah, of last year.
But for Spirit jerseys, that was amazing.
Yep.
Unfortunately, you have to be an extra small.
Yeah, you got to be uber skinny to get that. So.
But that was the afternoon. They might have had more in the morning.
Maybe.
First opened. So that's the luck of the draw.
Yeah.
But I found that Tiki doll. That was a find.
Tiki doll was a find, yes.
Yeah,
it was.
only one by himself. So that was a find.
He was just sitting there waiting.
So if you're new to our channel, guys,
click like and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate every one of you who've got us to 500 subscribers and more. We got to reach that 1,000 mark. We do appreciate it if you just share our channel, click that bell button, get notified of all our videos.
Like I say before, get some popcorn, order a pizza, maybe 2, and sit down and binge watch all the videos. Domino's is there for you. That's why they're there.
All right. Yeah, that is not
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
No,
yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I'm trying to think of the word. What
Yes,
is that? It's not. That's not sponsored.
Don't worry, it's not sponsored.
Sponsored.
But they're there for you. All right. Click like and subscribe. Ring the bell. All right.
Until next time.
Remember, there's always new adventures. You never know what may happen around the corner. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye-bye.